Hey everyone, how's it going? Now, I feel like everywhere you go, you hear about Baby Yoda, Baby Yoda, Baby Yoda. So I'm going to jump on the Baby Yoda bandwagon and show you guys how to draw him, but instead of drawing a normal one, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Christmas Baby Yoda. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down like this. And then I'm going to connect it with a curved line right here at the bottom. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to do the same thing, just kind of curve up and down. And then I'm just going to connect it with a curve right here. Now, right here inside the eye, I'm going to draw a little line that curves down. And then the same thing over here. And then right up here, I'm going to draw a big circle like this, and then a smaller one down here. And then I want to do the same thing on this side, just a big circle up here in the corner, and then a smaller one right here. And then I want to color in the rest of this. So I'm going to color this in real quick. Now, the next step is you want to make the nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a little line right between the eyes that's just going to kind of curve down and then come back like this. And then I want to add two little kind of curved lines. The top one's going to be a little bit smaller than the bottom one. Now I want to make some eyebrows. So just starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down here. And then the same thing right here, just kind of curve up and then down for the eyebrows. Now you want to make the mouth. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to go up, and then it's just going to curve down again. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line underneath of it. Now, starting right here, you want to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's just going to kind of curve back up like this for the face. And then I'm just going to continue this line up, and then continue this line up, kind of like they're headed towards the eyes. Then this line, I'm going to kind of curve it up and then out, and that's going to be the start of the ear. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of curve it up and then out like this. Then, starting right about here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to get really close to this line, and then it's just going to come out and then come right back to here for the ear. So then same thing here, I'm just going to draw a line, it's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to go out like this. And then just come down right here for the ear. Now, instead of drawing just the plain head of Baby Yoda, I'm going to put the little Christmas hat on him. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little bumpy line that just kind of goes from one ear to the next. Then, starting up here, I'm going to draw another bumpy line that just goes right across, and I'm just going to go from one ear to the other. Then, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come all the way down to here to this part of the ear. So it started on the hat, and then it comes all the way over here. And then I'm just going to make a little curved line up here, and then another one right there. Then I'm going to jump over the ear here, and I'm going to draw a line that just goes down, and then comes up, kind of like a little V. And then at the end, I'm just going to put a puffy little ball shape just for the end of the hat. Now, since this is a Christmas Baby Yoda, I want to make it look like he's wearing an ugly sweater. So I'm going to just start right over here by the face, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's just going to come around here, and it's going to curve all the way up to here. Next, we want to draw the bottom part of the sweater. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. And then the same thing right over here on this side. Then I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves from one end to the other. And then I'm just going to make a small line that's just going to curve down. It's going to come around and then back up here. Then, along the sweater, I'm just going to add some little lines that just go right across like this. And then I also want to do the same thing on the top. I'm just going to add some little lines that just go right around here, just to show some little details in the sweater. Next, we want to make the arms. So, just starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve in. And then I'll do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then curve in. I'm going to add a little line like this that goes around each one. And then for the hands, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves in, and then another line here that just kind of curves in. Now the last thing we want to do is we want to make the sweater look like an ugly Christmas sweater. So there's lots of things we can do. We'll just keep it simple on this one, and let's just make like a little tree. So I'm just going to draw a line that just goes up and then down, like a little triangle. And then I'm going to draw these two lines in. Then I'm going to draw two diagonal lines. And then these two lines can come in. And then we'll draw two more longer diagonal lines. And then bring them in most of the way. And then right in this little space, I'm going to draw a little rectangle, just like this for the bottom of the tree. Then there's lots of other things you guys can add onto here. I'm going to add two little candy canes. So right here, I'm just going to draw kind of like a little hook shape like this. And then I'll draw another hook shape on this side. And then I'm just going to go and make a bigger hook shape that just kind of goes all the way around here. And then same thing on here, just make the little bit bigger hook shape. And then we'll add some little lines onto here, just for our little candy canes. Then some other little details, we can add some little lines onto the sleeves. And then I'm just going to put a little zigzag line kind of going down the sleeves here, just to give it a little bit more detail and kind of break it up a little bit. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Christmas Baby Yoda. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.